Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed video 1. Today on video 2, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes for a picnic. It's Greek salad, and it's so simple and easy. So come on right into my kitchen now, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Like I said, this is a super simple recipe. I've got my olives, I've got my red onion, my bell pepper, my feta cheese, and I just cut my cucumber. I want to give you a tip though about cutting cucumber so it doesn't roll around on you. You're going to do a stabilizing cut right down the middle, and this will keep it from rolling around on you, and it's much safer to cut that way, especially if you have kids helping you with your recipe. Okay, and all that's left now is to mix all our ingredients together. I'm going to put the cucumbers in the bowl. I'm going to add olives, red pepper, red onion, and then we're going to add in the feta cheese. Mix that up a little bit. And then I'm going to add my dressing, which I've already made. It's very simple. It's just olive oil, a little bit of sea salt, and a little bit of red wine vinegar. Shake that up, pour it in. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope you get a chance to try this delicious recipe. Watch your email for the release of video number 3, and I'll see you on the trail.